This is how to export data in 1Password. Be sure you have installed 1Password application for Windows. Just go to 1password.com/download/Windows and install your 1Password application. Then we will open our 1Password application. Click this three dots and go to export, and you can find your data here. So this is my data, and enter your password and choose a file format. So the easiest one is CSV. Then just click export data. Then choose a folder and just click save. And you can just click show file to see your exported data. So this is how to export data in 1Password.